Hi guys, in this video, you'll find out how to get more coins for your Talking Tom. Are you ready? Awesome! Here we go. Number 1. The easiest way to get more coins is to just look after Tom. Be sure to play mini games and feed him. Don't let your Tom stay too dirty or be away from the bathroom for too long either. Send him to the toilet as soon as you can. It sure does pay. Number 2. Check the gift box in Tom's living room to watch some awesome videos. After you do, you'll be sure to get a great reward. And if you're lucky, you'll find some rare items that you just can't get anywhere else. Oh, and make sure your My Talking Tom is running the latest update. Number 3. Every day when you check in on your Tom in the app, you'll get the chance to complete the daily challenge. Then, after 5 days of regular play, one simple challenge may get you a small fortune. Number 4. This is an in-app purchase which forever doubles the coins you earn when you play minigames. How cool is that? Well, that's it for now. Do you guys want more gameplay tips? Let me know what you'd love to hear about in the comments below and make sure you subscribe to my channel.